In this lesson, we're going to look at solving these equations for the unknown variable. The unknown variable in these equations is m, but it can be any letter or any character there for the unknown. So let's firstly write down the equation we have got given, and then we need to start solving it for the variable m. So to do that, we need to get the numbers onto the opposite side of the variable. So we need to move this 3 to the right hand side of the equal sign. To do that, we subtract 3 from the left hand side and subtract 3 from the right hand side. So 3 take away 3 is 0, so we can write it down, but because it is 0, we don't normally write it down. We put down the equal sign. 6 take away 3 is 3. So m equals 3. So this is our solution. To check if this solution is correct, that m does in fact equal 3, we can back substitute it into the original equation. So the original equation is here. We put the 3 back into the m, so 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So that means the m equals 3 is correct. Let's do number 2. M take 5 equals 11. We have one number here. We need to shift it to the right hand side of the equal sign. So let's firstly write down the variable m, and let's put the equal sign there. So what do we need to do to get rid of this minus 5? Well, we need to plus 5 there, and whatever we do to the left hand side, we need to do to the right hand side. So we plus 5 there. So a plus 5 minus 5, that is 0. And 11 plus 5 is 16. So we have m equals 16. So this is the solution. This time I won't back substitute it, do any checks like I did here with back substituting the number into the variable. But you can see if we took the 16 and put it here, 16 take 5 is equal to 11. So this is correct. M take 6 equals 3. So let's write the variable down, put the equal sign there. What do we need to do to get this 6 over to the right hand side, or eliminate the 6? So we need to, it's a minus 6, so we need to add 6. So we can do that in our head. A plus 6 minus 6, that's 0. We don't need to write that down. But we also need to do the same thing, exactly the same thing to the right hand side. So we added a 6, we need to add a 6 to the right hand side here. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. So that is our answer. You can see 9 take away 6, equals 3. M plus 5 equals 16. Let's write down the variable, put the equal sign there. We have a plus 5. What do we need to do to get rid of that 5? We need to add minus 5. So 5 take 5 is 0. So we take 5 from the left hand side. We also need to take 5 from the right hand side. So 16 take away 5 is 11. And that is our answer. 11 plus 5 equals 16. Okay, write down the variable, the equal sign. What do we need to do to get rid of that minus 6? We need to add 6. So a positive 6, take away 6 is 0. we added a positive 6 onto the left hand side, we need to add a positive 6 onto the right hand side. So 11 plus 6 is 17. We can see that 17 take away 6 is 11, so that is the correct answer. Okay, let's write down the variable, equal sign. We have a positive 5. We need to subtract 5 to get it eliminated. So 5 take away 5 is 0. And we also need to take 5 from the right hand side. 6 take away 5 equals 1. We can see 1 plus 5 equals 6. Positive 8, we need to take away 8. We also need to take away 8 from the right hand side. So 10 take away 8 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. We have a minus 10. We need to add 10 to get rid of that 10. We need to do the same to the right hand side. 6 plus 10 equals 16. 16 take away 10 equals 6. So this is correct. We have a minus 11, so we need to add 11 to get rid of it. We need to do the same to the right hand side. 5 plus 11 equals 16. 16 take away 11 equals 5. So this is correct. So that completes the lesson on solving for the unknown variable.